Whether you're repairing cell phones, computers, jewelry, watches, power tools, or anything in between, managing a large number of repair SKUs and service variations can get overwhelming pretty quickly. And when your repair SKUs aren't organized the right way, it doesn't just slow you down, your whole team feels the impact. That's why we've developed the Repair Service Category Tree. It gives you the freedom to create nested service categories that actually make sense for your workflow, so you can stay organized, work faster, and keep everything running smoothly. In this video, we'll learn how to manage repair categories in RepairDesk. Let's get started. Start by navigating to the Store settings, then go to the Repair sections, then to Repair Categories, or search for Repair Categories. To create a category, click Create Category and set up a new parent category. For example, enter Computer Repair and save it. To add a subcategory, select the parent category and click the plus symbol to add subcategory. Enter Laptop Repair and save it. You can continue adding subcategories under Laptop Repair, such as MacBook Repair. You can repeat this process to build out your complete repair service hierarchy. To edit any category, click the Edit button next to it. Make your changes and save. To delete a category, click Delete. Remember that deleting a parent category will also remove all its subcategories. Please note, a parent category cannot be deleted if services are associated with it. You will have to delete the related services to proceed. Now, let's explore additional actions you can perform on your repair categories. You can tap the three dots to delete or clone the service. You can add an image or icon. You can mark as general or billable. This skips brand and model mapping. All services under this category are treated as hourly rate services. You can set default and custom fields. Add fields such as password, location, or any custom field you want your staff to fill when selecting a service. For example, the macOS version or the display size. You can set pre- and post conditions. This will help you avoid blame for pre-existing issues, speed up intake, and keep repairs transparent for both your team and your customers. Choose which pre-repair and post-repair conditions checklists should appear when creating a ticket of this category and the repair, respectively. Enable this to make the category visible across the POS, the customer portal, and the appointment widget. You can click on multiple categories to access and perform bulk actions. Through this, you can delete the categories and choose to display or hide categories on the POS, widget, and the customer portal. You need to add services to a category or subcategory. Next to each repair category, you'll see a service count. Clicking this count will open the Manage Services page in a new tab with the filter for that category applied. The filter dropdown displays a category tree, allowing you to refine your search further based on the hierarchy. To assign a category path to a service, open the service you want to update from the Services listing page. For example, if you have MacBook Pro keyboard replacement, you can assign it to Computer Repair then laptop repair, and then MacBook repair to accurately reflect its classification. Now, you can tap Add Services to create new or associate existing services to it. To create a new service, tap Create Service. Learn more about this by viewing the video on how to manage repair services, linked in the description box below. If you're managing an extensive list of services, you can also import or export your repair category tree. The full hierarchy and settings will be included. Similarly, you can also filter using category paths to update prices via the bulk price editor. Now, let's see how this works when selecting a service. On the POS screen, the category structure helps staff quickly navigate through repair options. Here's how it works. Select the main category, such as computer repair. Next, choose the subcategory laptop repair. Then finally, select the next subcategory MacBook repair. Select your device specifications, in this case, Apple and MacBook Pro M5, and choose the service MacBook Pro keyboard replacement. Continue filling in the details to complete the ticket. Here's a pro tip. If your business operates without manufacturers or models, you can skip selecting a brand or device by marking the category as General Repair and directly moving to Service Selection. Another advantage of the repair service category tree is its ability to improve reporting accuracy. Reports now display results based on the whole category path, enabling you to analyze performance by service type. Please note, you can use the same category selection flow across RepairDesk, ensuring a consistent experience throughout the system. That's all you need to know about managing the repair categories in RepairDesk. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team at support@repairdesk.co. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.